Okay, today is going to be a video about the letter and number maze assignment. With this one, there are going to actually be 4 activities. Very similar, but there are some differences in each one. So, as you can see, the playground is going to be the wall maze. In here, there are a couple different things that you will need to do. First, you're going to be starting here, and the goal is to get to the finish line. As you can see, there are letters A, B, C, and D, and numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so coming down to maze level 1, it says program the robot to move through the maze, stopping on each one of the letters in alphabetical order. Okay, so you go A, B, C, and D. Then traveling to the finish. The robot should stop at each letter for 2 seconds. Okay, so we're going to bring in the wait command for that. Level 2, so you're going to do the same thing, but stopping at 1, 2, 3, and 4. Level 3 is you're going to then stop at each number and letter in order. So it would go A1, B2, C3, D4. Now, obviously, they're kind of spread out. Okay, so you would have to figure out what the best route would be. Okay, and then number 4, okay, you're going to do pretty much the same thing, but you're going to go in reverse. Okay, so you're going to move from the start to either 4, 3, 2, 1 or D, C, B, A. Okay, you don't have to do both of them. You can just do either one, and that is up to you. Okay, so coming into the VEX VR code site, first playground, you need to find where it says wall maze. Okay, and then as it's loading on that, I'm going to come down here under control and find the wait command. Okay, so this is going to allow you to stop at something for a certain amount of time. Okay, so I'll bring that one in. All right, so now you can see we are right here at the start. In order to show you how the wait command works, we are going to just try to go to A. So we'll probably go forward, turn, forward, turn, forward. Okay, so I'm going to drive forward. What's 200 should be good. Turn left. And then forward. Turn left again. And then I'll try forward. Okay, we'll see what that gets us. Forward, left, left. Okay, so notice, obviously, probably want to change this to even like 250. Oops. Okay, and maybe even that one to like 250. Refresh, play, see what happens. There we go. Okay, so then this is where I would put my wait command. Okay. As you can tell, it's on there. Okay, so this for 2 seconds, since it tells me to each letter or number for 2 seconds. So I change the wait 2 seconds, and then I can either turn around or reverse. We'll just reverse. 250. Let's see what happens. From there, I'm turning forward, turn forward, and then I stop there for 2 seconds and I reverse. Okay, so that is as simple as you can get with the wait. Okay, all it does is literally stop the code for 2 seconds and then it picks up where it left off. Okay, so when it says to stop at each letter or number for 2 seconds, and that's what it means. Okay, so that is going to be your letter number maze and then all 4 of your levels.